Over the past few decades, manufacturing has seen a massive transformation. The rise of manufacturing robots and automation has redefined production across the globe. Advances in robotic technology, AI, and computer vision have revolutionized workflows. Robots excel at repetitive tasks like welding and assembly, operating 24/7. This allows workers to focus on higher-value tasks, requiring adaptability. Robots achieve unmatched precision, ideal for electronics and medical devices. Automation reduces costs and enhances product quality. Robots are applied across industries, tailored to specific needs. Collaborative robots work safely with humans, combining the best of both worlds. As we move forward, robot integration will continue to transform manufacturing. Efficiency, quality, and cost benefits make them integral to the future and Industry 4.0. At XY Automation, we understand the importance of keeping your production line moving. If you're experiencing downtime due to broken automation parts, we can supply new, used, or obsolete parts quickly. Don't let downtime damage your business. Contact us today.